climb inside the 2013 Nissan Maxima. This four-door, five-passenger sedan stands out among competitors in its class. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Nissan prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by one-touch window functionality, speed-sensitive wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power seat, automatic temperature control, and leather upholstery. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.